Hey guys, just before we start this video, I just want to let you know I am hosting a game jam with one of my friends called Devin, who is actually the other partner who will be uploading videos on this channel. He is yet to do so because he's busy with school, but he will probably upload one soon. So I'm hosting a game jam, as you can see, and it's for indie devs, but anybody can participate. I'm going to leave the links in the description below to join the Discord, the CrowdForge, and the itch.io. Make sure to enter because it's going to be awesome. And if you don't know how to code games yet, that's okay. I will be making videos on it later on, so you can possibly watch them. And then when we have another game jam, you can participate in that. But anyway, let's get into this video. So this is solely a text formatting video. I have already just gone ahead and added in a comment about just saying that this is where our text formatting is going to be. So I did show you some stuff about text formatting last time, and I'm just going to go further into that as well as just repeating over some of the stuff. So basically, just to get started, I'm going to just have the same text over and over again, and we're just going to be using we're going to be using the hello world and the p tags over and over again, and just have the other stuff around it just to show you what it does. Okay, so first off, we are going to keep that, but we're going to put it in. For now, that should be enough. I'll add more soon, but first off, we're going to want to put in the B tags. As I said in the last video, that will make it bold. Then we put in the italic tags, and of course it'll make it in italics. Now after that, we're actually going to use something which I haven't showed yet, and that is emphasize tags. So just to recap over what we've done, bold tags just define the bold text. The I tag is just define the italic text, and the EM tags define the emphasized text. So now we have the bold and the italics and the emphasized. We're going to add in something which is strong, something else I did in the last video, and we're going to close it off. And then we are finally going to put in small. And that's not all we're going to do. This is just a basis, just so I can show you what some of the stuff it'll look like, just so you can get an idea. So we'll launch that. And as you can see underneath the picture, we have the bold text, the italics text, the emphasized text. As you can see, that's pretty similar between EMI and strong and bold. Strong emphasize the newer versions of the bold and I tags, and you can see this is our small tag of the text. So next in, we are going to head over back to our document, and we are going to put 5 more, and we are going to then put in something called sub, which defines a subscript text, and then we're going to put that in again. So then we're going to put in sup, which defines superscripted text, and then we are going to next put in ints. Let me fix that, which is basically just inserted text, and the int tags define that, and it's basically underlined text. So after the int tags, we're going to put in del, which is the deleted text, which obviously puts that through the text. Oops. We just think about deleted, so I actually hit deleted. We don't want to do that. So then after them, we're going to put in mark, and that defines highlighted text. So we'll close it off, save that, run it and launch it in Chrome. And as you can see, we have highlighted text, we have the crossed out text from the delete tags. I must have done something wrong. There we go, that's the. So we'll just say that and reload the page, and as you can see, it's fixed now. What we had, the insert text, small text and everything, that is the subscript and that's the superscript. So that's basically the absolute basics of text formatting. I'm now going to show you some of the stuff we did in the last video, or I've done previously, and it's honestly just to make it better. So we'll only be doing piece style, color, and we'll make this gray. So now we have green text, and we should have below a nice green text. And just to show the contrast, I'm going to be doing that again, but I'm going to be doing red text. So there we go. Now we have the green and the red text, and then I'm going to just show you some of the final things we're going to be covering, and that of course is the H1 to H5 tags. So I know we've covered this already, but this is just to completely recap over everything we've done in HTML. So I hope this tutorial will help you get better at HTML and just help with formatting your text so everything looks nicer. So after we have finished the H1 to 5 tag, I'm just going to say that and reload the page, and as you can see we have H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. I know it was not as long as the others, I just want to get through it pretty fast and just help you get through all the basics of text formatting. So hopefully this helps you make nicer stuff in HTML and just make your web pages better. So if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video, and also commenting what you liked and what you didn't like, just so I can improve for videos in the future. Thank you for watching.
I walk with the elephants, rolling with elephants.